So you think you do not have any options but to watch ads on Facebook? There is a way how can you hide ads on Facebook. And in today's video, I am going to show you how to get rid of Facebook ads as per latest Facebook update. In order to hide your Facebook ads, you need to go to your settings option and you need to visit ad preferences under your settings option. How to find it? Let me show you. You need to click on these three bars towards the top right corner. Once you do that, scroll down till the bottom and there will be the last option as settings and privacy. Click on settings and privacy and then click on settings. Once you do that, you will see an interface like this. Scroll down to find permissions. Once you find permissions, you need to click on the first section as ad preferences. Once you click on ad preferences, you will find three options here: advertisers, ad topics, and ad settings. We need to go one by one with all these settings. You are seeing certain advertisers from which you are seeing ads on your Facebook feed. What you need to do is you need to select which advertisers you do not want to see the ads from and just click on hide ads. Or here you have the choice. Either you can hide ads from all the advertisers or you can select certain advertisers from which you do not want to see the ads. For example, let's say if I do not want to see the ads from this particular advertiser, which is Aloha, I will click on hide ad and you see it says ads hidden, which means I will not see any further ads from this particular advertiser on my feed. Similarly, you can do it for either all your advertisers on this page or to particular advertisers which you select. Once done, you need to scroll down till the bottom and click on advertisers whose ads you have clicked. Once you do that, you will see certain advertisers here as well. Now again, you need to follow the same thing. Either you can hide ads from all these advertisers or you can select certain advertisers from which you do not want to see the ads. For example, let's say if I do not want to see the ads from Neo Dove, I will click on hide ads and from now onwards, I will not see any ads from this particular advertiser on my Facebook feed. Once this is done, click on the back arrow from the top left corner. Now we are done with the advertisers page. It's time to go on ad topics page. Click on ad topics and you will see a page like this wherein you will see a lot of ad topics here. If you scroll down and click on show all, you will see a lot of ad topics which you have interacted with previously, and that is why you're seeing ads from them. What you need to do is you need to either select all the ad topics one by one and I will tell you what to do with them, or you can select certain topics on which you do not want to see the ads. So for example, let's say if I do not want to see ads on high anxiety topic, I'll click on this one. And here it says changes that you make to these topics will apply to all the Facebook and Instagram accounts in your accounts center. Okay, what you need to do is you need to click on show less ads about this topic and then cross it out from the top left corner. Okay, and similarly you can do it either for all the topics or certain topics which you do not want to see ads on. Okay, once done, again, you need to click on the back arrow towards the top left and then cross it out from the top left corner. And now it is time to go to the third section, which is ad settings. Click on ad settings and then scroll down. You will see here four options. One is activity information from ad partners. Second is categories used to reach you. Third is audience based advertising. And fourth one is ads shown off Facebook. What we are going to do is we are going to make certain changes on the first three topics. Okay, so click on activity information from ad partners. Once you do that, you need to click on review settings. Once you do that, you will see a page like this which says, do you want us to use your activity information from ad partners to show you ads? Now here by default, yes is selected. It says, yes, show me ads that are more relevant by using this information. Okay, however, since we do not want to see any ads, we want to get rid of the ads. So what we are going to do is we are going to select the second one which says, no, don't make my ads more relevant by using this information. Once done, you need to click on confirm. So we are done with the first one. Now go to the second one which says categories used to reach you. Click on it, scroll down and you will see four options here. employer, job title, education, and relationship status. All these four options are toggled on. Let me tell you what this is all about. So it says an advertiser can indicate that their ad should be shown to people who have certain information on their profile, such as specific school or job title. So these information about employer, job title, education, and relationship status I have on my Facebook profile, and Facebook is going to use this information in order to show me relevant ads around these information. Okay. Similarly, you will have some information over here and which will be toggled on. Since you do not want to see any ads around any of this information, what you need to do is you need to toggle it off, all of them. Okay. Once done, just scroll up and click on the back arrow towards the top left. Now, the third option, which is audience-based advertising. Click on it, scroll down, and you will see certain advertisers whose ads you will be seeing on your Facebook feed as per your past interaction with these advertisers. But you do not want to see any further ads from these advertisers, so it's very simple. You need to click either all of them or certain advertisers from which you do not want to see ads from and make some changes in the settings. Let me show you what you need to do. Okay, don't forget to click on see all businesses, because once you click on see all businesses, you will see a lot of advertisers over here. Okay, click on that particular advertiser and you will see a page where it's written, why are you included in this advertiser's audience? There is a reason for it. Whatever the reason is, you do not need to go to that particular reason. You just need to click on that reason. Once you do that, you will see options to block their ads. There are two options which I see over here. One is showing ads to you using a list. Click on don't allow. And the second one is excluding you from seeing ads using a list. Click on don't allow. Once done, click on the back arrow towards the top left corner, scroll up, click on the back arrow again, and you will reach to the same page again from where you can select another advertiser. So there are going to be two types of audience list. Let's say if I select this one, Vedico. Let's say if I do not want to see ad from this particular advertiser, I'll click on this advertiser. Again, it says, why are you included in this advertiser's audience? The reason is you may have interacted with their website, app, or store. Does not matter whatever the reason is. I just need to click on this reason, and if I scroll down, I will see an option which says, what can you do? Hide all AdWords from this advertiser. Click on it and all the ads from this particular advertiser will be hidden. Click back again, go to the third advertiser, and so on and so forth. Do it either for all the advertisers or certain advertisers which you do not want to see the ads from. Once done, you're all set. You won't see ads from all those advertisers which you have blocked here on the settings page, and you can enjoy watching your Facebook feed with less ads. Alright friends, so I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, do let us know in the comment section below. And if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification bell icon for all the videos. That's it for today. I will see you in the next video. Till then, you take care and have a good one.